First up, so these are the sevens or stocks that I think were worth taking. NKLA, number one. Well, there's no particular order in these, by the way. I just, once again, typing a little too fast. So NKLA right here, maybe this was more of a 6.5. Let me just get this queued up to where it should be. I like that pattern. Yeah, you know, this isn't a 7. This is a 6.5. Nice breakout from a good pattern, pretty good volume jump, but fairly frothy or coming into some resistance on the 13. Was going to find resistance at around 20.5, which was enough RR potential. So that was good. That was a 6.5. Okay, next up is INFI. So INFI, you can see the 13 breaking out, daily breaking the downward trend line. Very obvious break here, good volume. This was a 7 out of 10. Next up is BHVN. BHVN. And, oh, geez, sorry, I typed too fast and it misses it. Okay, so there you're breaking a flag, good spike of volume, breaking the downward trend line, building a rising bottom. I thought that was pretty good. Not a huge winner, but pretty decent. That's probably a 6.5. LGF.A, LGF.A. It's got good upward momentum, but it needed to have a base built, and it did a nice base building the last day and a bit. And then a nice break here with a spike of volume. So I thought that was a 7. ARCT. So you can see the break from a rising bottom earlier today, and then it had a really nice consolidation all day long. Probably more of a superhero. The volume has been abnormal for the last 3 days. I thought it was pretty good. I mean, the volume isn't that outstanding compared to the last 3 days, so I gave this a 6.5. Next up, MRNA. MRNA triggered there. Good volume, breaking to new highs, clear resistance. The only thing I didn't like is the price action was a little bit small. Like that candle doesn't really stand out relative to this, so that's a 6.5. And then RH. RH, nice ascending triangle, breaking out. Volume was lacking. Patterns are good. Trying to get through some resistance on the daily. That was a 6.5. MNKD. MNKD, nice low volatility, breaking from that. Pretty good volume, but not really abnormal. Clear of resistance, up for a few days, so the low volatility isn't great, although it did have a decent base here. I gave that a 6.5. Next up, UPWK. Got 5 more to go. UPWK breaking here. I was a little worried about this resistance. It's pretty decent, nice spike of volume, pretty good candle pattern, but you know, was wondering if it was going to be able to get through this resistance level. So I gave that a 6.5. Next up is CEMI. Yeah, all of these came after 10 o'clock, by the way. The ones before 10 o'clock I gave you already, and those didn't work out very well. This is a nice pattern break on the 2-minute. Good spike of volume, not a great spike of volume. Breaking through some resistance here. Next level of resistance is way up there. Daily's kind of stuck in a range, so I'd give that a 6.5. FVAC. FVAC. Nice consolidation break. Volume's not really supporting it. Good upward momentum. I gave that a 6.5. Next up, RIOT, RIOT. Where are we here? All right, yep. So that's good. Nice spike of volume, good price action, but a little bit busy on the 13 coming into some resistance. So again, 6.5. I got one more, ACHV, and good spike here. It had been going up for a while, so it wasn't really breaking from low volatility. So that was a 6. All right, so that's a little review of what I saw today. You can now let me know if there's anything different that you saw that you want me to pull up. But I will stop the video here.